In this video, we'll generate the infinite product series approximation of the reciprocal gamma function. We begin with the data set of the reciprocal gamma function. So array formula, gamma of the x values. And this is the reciprocal, so 1 over. That's got to be 1 over. That's array formula 1 over gamma. And the infinite product approximation, which is x times infinite product from n equals 1 to infinity of 1 over x over n divided by 1 plus 1 over n raised to the power x. And the value of n is from 1 to infinity. In this case, we can go as far as 10. And the array, so array formula. Begin with the numerator, so 1 plus x divided by n. That's the numerator. We continue with the denominator. So this is divided by 1 plus, second part is 1 over n. So 1 over n raised to the power x, another. Now we complete with the infinite product. So product of the x values, so values from 1 to 10, another. And to continue, this is multiplied by x, so that's x times. Now we can drag this downwards. And we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we use scatter chart. Column is label. We don't need the title. We already have. And for the series, we show the trend line. The type, polynomial. For the degree, use 8. And for the legend or label, use the equation. So here's our polynomial of the reciprocal gamma and its infinite product series approximation. Let's compare. There's an error. That's because our value for n is from 1 to 10. We can go as far as infinity and this will be reduced. So let's compare x to the 0, this is already 0, negative 1.7 times 10 to the minus 6, negative 1, that's 1.92 times 10 to the minus 5. Coefficient of x, that's 1, this is 0.99. Coefficient of x squared, that's 0.575, 0.538. Coefficient of x cubed, minus 0.645, minus 0.65. Coefficient of x to the 4th, negative 0.0176, negative or positive 0.0311. Coefficient of x to the 5th, 0.212 and 0.13. Coefficient of x to the 6th, minus 0.0845, minus 0.057. Coefficient of x to the 7th, 0.0148, that's 0.0103. And coefficient of x to the 8th, negative 1.02 times 10 to the minus 3, negative 7.32 times 10 to the minus 4. So this completes the use of the infinite product series approximation to approximate the reciprocal gamma function.